To create a new work order from the dispatch board, enter the name, phone number, or address of the customer in the appropriate search field and click the Search Customer button. When the correct customer site record appears, click the New button on the far right-hand side. The work order will open. Begin to enter information on the left side, working to the bottom of the screen, and then move to the top of the right side of the screen and work to the bottom. Begin by selecting an appropriate call type from the drop-down list. Adjust the priority and estimated duration as needed. The date defaults to today's date, but can be adjusted by clicking on the calendar icon and making a different selection. Today's date will always appear in red. The time defaults to the next closest hour, but can be adjusted. Be sure to adjust the AM and PM setting. The caller field is an optional field and can be set or adjusted by clicking the Optional Fields button on the main menu. If you want to make the work order accessible via the Customer Login feature, click inside of the Post Work Order to Customer box. Move to the top right-hand side of the screen and select a branch and job type from the drop-down box as applicable. Next, enter a short work description including the type of equipment to be worked on. Notes that will be seen by the technician only can be entered into the Notes field. Up to 1,500 characters can be entered for office notes, with the first 200 lowercase characters being viewable on the device. A customer purchase order number may be entered in the PO field and will flow to the invoice in QuickBooks. The authorization field is also an optional field. Click the Save button. Notice that the work order number, as well as a timestamp and the name of the individual who created the work order, now appear on the work order form. A contract can be associated with the work order as required. Be sure to click the Save button if any changes or additions have been made. Finally, click the Create New Assignment button. Make adjustments if needed, and select a technician from the drop-down box. Set the status to pending or dispatch, and then click the Save button. The assignment will now appear on the dispatch board, and the work order can be located in the new work order bin.